Hi, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. In this video, I shall showcase how to make quick presentations using Gamma. So I have the Gamma open here. I have opened it. So there is also a Gamma app which is there which you can use. So in this as we can see, we are getting four options to create presentation with AI tool. First one is generate. If I want to generate some presentation by giving it like some input file from a system, I can probably point it to there. Or like sometimes we have a prompt, we just want to paste the content which you have copied from a Word or PDF document. That also we can put it here. Creating it from a template. Now say suppose we have a company specified like template which we want the presentation to be in the exact same format, so we can probably use it. I'll go ahead and showcase how we can import a PDF document and create a presentation out of it. Now consider a scenario wherein you are running late for a meeting and you have a lengthy PDF document which you want to also skim through it and create like some pointers out of it, or some main crux. So you want to probably put it in the slide. So what typically you will do in a manual world of making this lengthy presentation is you will take uh, each and every sentence. Like first you will be going through it, and then probably you will be copying it from a PDF and pasting it in the PPTX, and then there will be like some alignment, and then you will go to like probably some search engine and paste for a corresponding for like whatever word which you have used or text which is there in the slide. You'll be probably like going and searching for some image, right? Like that's how typically you used to do it, like in the old way. So now I'll be importing a file. I have saved this file on my desktop. I'll click on the upload button. Upload button. I'll go and I'll upload the file. So this is a PDF file, a conceptual framework of business intelligence. Now it will upload the file and see. It asks me what I want to do with this content. So there are four options, as you can see: presentation, web page, document, or social. So I'll be selecting presentation in this video, and I'll go ahead with continue. You can see your recent prompts. So this is what I just used like prior to this. I'll press on the continue. See, now again in this page, it is actually giving us an option as how I want to create a presentation. Do I want it in a concise or a typical 4 5 slide? I even have the option to define how many slides I need. Okay, so for this demo purpose, I'll keep it just for like 5 slides. You also have an option to detailed, extensive, and minimal. So uh, I'll go and click on the generate button. Now, as this gets done in the background, okay, you'll see the output, what is coming, and you also have an option to use the agent here. Okay. Now, uh, many of you might have seen the chatbot which is there in Microsoft Copilot. Okay. So you give a command. So basically, you are interacting like a PPT document or with a PPT document. Sorry. So, but this agent is more than that. See, now it has actually generated the slide, and like from its picture library, it has taken the images as well. Okay, so the PDF which I uploaded, it was a plain PDF. There were no visual images. Okay, just a black and white PDF I just uploaded. Like corresponding to the text, it has searched and it has put very beautiful pictures in all the slides. Now, since it talks about business intelligence, you can see like challenges. So it has given like data server images here. Okay, it is still generating. That's the reason I kept it like to 5 slide. Lesson learned and conclusion. So like in slide, it will get concluded. Now coming back to the agent mode, if I want to use it agent mode, I am not happy with the output. I want to add some more features. I'll click on this. See, now for this specific deck, like since you are building a business intelligence through activity monitoring, so I had rather ask the agent think like, is the storyline logical from a CIO perspective? Say suppose you are like creating this for your like executive leadership team. The other questions which I can probably ask is where would a research firm like Gartner or IBM disagree with my explanations? Which slides need citations? Suggest two real enterprise case studies. Add measurable ROI to every solution slide. Make this presentation suitable for boardroom kind of a presentation or a setup. Um, let me let me give one prompt here. I'm typing add a measurable ROI to every solution slide. Right. Now let's see what it does. It is editing. It is editing all the five slides. Okay. The best thing like here is like you can also see like how the content are getting generated. Like while I had used Copilot 2 years ago, so I couldn't see the output getting generated in front of me. And in terms of visual, also, I think this is like way ahead. So, see, it has like basically added, as you can see, Gartner predicted that by 20, like, by 2008, at least 60% of BM solution would be built into enterprise infrastructure and application. So, it did take or took my instructions. Now, this is original, this is modified. I'll click here. See how the changes are happening here. See. So I get a lot of stats and ROI in my slides, right? So this is a way. One important limitation to keep in mind: the agent is very good at drafting, restructuring, and polishing the content, but it can occasionally introduce inaccurate technical details or weak citations for a presentation. Like if you are going to use it for your work and you want to deliver it professionally, especially on the payments, BI, enterprise architecture, it can be the like on the retail banking or like whatever domain you are working. So it is worth like providing any or checking this. Eh, So there can be any factual claims and references. So before presentation, just an advice, like you can like probably do a double check or a sanity check. I hope this was useful, and you can probably give it a try. This is a free version. I just had created an account, and here I can basically use it for my means office work. I don't think like this freeware like would be barred in your organization. And if it is so in Microsoft, I think you can check my other videos. I have also made a couple of videos wherein I'm showcasing uh, how you can prepare a slide using Microsoft Copilot. Okay, so I think this was useful. If you like this video, you can probably leave some comments. If there is anything which you like to change, I'll encourage you to probably give it a try and put like what you got in the comment section. Bye, and thanks for watching.